You're also sleeping. My goodness, what kind of students are you guys? All of you are sleeping. I will kick all of you in the butt. Okay. Okay, Kuya, this time we're going to learn how to read words with short E sound.
So they fight. So me and then Daddy on the button. So and then I need to finish it.
Yes.
Oh, so I'm gonna start now.
Okay.
It's sit.
Very good.
It's your turn, Daddy. Have a good luck. You're always banishing me.
Gladiator Hawk. Next.
Sandwich pie.
What sandwich pie? What kind of word is that? You go away. I don't want you. Immanuel, read the words.
It's the sound. Ha. Him.
Him. Very good.
Gladiator, you need to
Gladiator Hawk, you need to listen, okay?
It's him. Whenever I get in gets by it in E or U.
Whatever, I'm just going to
Do
sleep.
the vowels, Gladiator.
Gladiator Hawk is really bad. Immanuel, continue reading. What comes after him?
I don't think. Big.
Big. Very good. Next word.
It's the lying down, I think.
I think Gladiator Hawk is sleeping. You can do all it. You can do everything on your own, Immanuel.
Okay, just make sure the doors are tight and no my hopes in the cats.
Okay.
Only
Hulkbuster.
How many gates do I have, teacher?
You already have 95.
Whoa.
Okay, let's make it 100. Oh, what comes after big?
95. Whoa, let's try that again. I have a Hulkbuster. I think I'm gonna win the points, teacher. Oh, that's the last one, the Hulkbuster. Deep.
Deep. Very good. Hulkbuster, your turn.
Okay. I'm gonna try that. It's the sound cat, teacher. Good.
Yes.
Kid.
Very good, Hulkbuster. Next word.
Big.
What? I can't hear you.
Big.
Very good, Hulkbuster. Next word.
League.
What?
League.
League. What's the last letter?
Oh, wait, teacher. Lead.
Lead. Very good, Hulkbuster. Do you want
It's
to
like
do the last
leading
row?
the dogs.
Right. Ano, lead, di ba yung sa cup?
Oh, I see.
Oh, Immanuel, do the last row.
So, I didn't want to talk about it because I think I done that it last time because I think I only have two and Hulkbuster only have one.
Okay. Gladiator Hawk, come back inside and make sure that you can read all of the words, okay?
I wish it's a pizza pie.
Go, Gladiator
What?
Hawk.
I was saying the minute, guys.
Okay.
Change the ways.
Go, Gladiator Hawk.
Sick.
What?
Sick.
Very good. Next.
Pizza pie sandwich.
Gladiator Hawk, what's next?
A pizza pie sandwich.
What a pizza pie sandwich? One.
I think that it's too hungry. I need to take this up now, Gladiator.
Gladiator Hawk, go outside. Immanuel, read the last two words.
Kids.
Very good.
Miss.
Niece, very
Oh,
good.
Daddy loves to say a pizza pie.
Okay, who wants to go first?
Me, teacher. Me, teacher.
Okay, Hulkbuster, can you read it, please?
Nick.
Nakasan mo. Louder, Hulkbuster.
Nick!
Okay.
So that's the name of the boy, and I guess the name of the guy is Nan.
Nan? Let's see if the girl's name is Nan. But first, read the sentence, Hulkbuster.
Nick jumps up a big hill.
Heel. Very good. Immanuel, read the next sentence.
Whoa, I just did it. Hapa chucha. Oh my.
Immanuel, read the next one. 1, 2.
I
Read
didn't
it.
know, teacher. Hulkbuster, your kid in the face. Oh.
Will.
Hat. Oh, wait on. Wait on. Hat.
He.
He.
Will he?
Wait. He. Sat. Oh, wait. Sit.
See it?
Read.
With.
Jill.
Jill. Very
So
good.
Nick jumps up a big hill, and will he sit with Jill?
Very good. See that? Did you see that, huh? Hulkbuster and Gladiator Hawk?
No, teacher. I found the sheep and cats.
Ah, Gladiator Hawk. Ah, you're really pissing me off. One more mistake and I will let you out of the classroom again. Do you understand?
And no more going in cats.
No what?
No more going in cats. Gladiator.
Yes, no more going in the class. You'll go back.
I just side papers and making mistakes.
Right. You need to go back to nursery, okay?
Huh. Double kick. Teacher.
Who wants to go next?
Me, teacher. Me, teacher.
Gladiator Hawk, this is your last chance. Your last chance, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Start reading it, Gladiator
6.
Hawk. Very good. Lapit mo sa'yo.
Okay. Yung body Hulkbuster. 6 and then what's next? Kids.
What?
Kill. Kids. Kids. Kids.
Kids. Very good. Next.
Hill.
Good job. Next.
Woohoo! I'm so happy. Let's do a big pump.
Next word.
There's one.
This one.
Oh, I see. Dig.
Very good.
Woohoo! And dig. I have it after that. It's your turn.
I think Hulkbuster wants to take a rest. Immanuel, it's your turn. Gladiator Hawk is finished.
Oh, I think I don't want to fight with teacher.
Okay,
I
can you read
think-
it? Would you like to read it? Ah, these busters, these hawks. Immanuel, read it. 1.
Wait, teacher. Pig.
Pig. CK.
Pig. Pig.
What?
Pig.
Pick. Very good. Next word.
How they both a sheep? They always bring a sheep on the class. I'm a teacher.
Right, Immanuel. Only Immanuel is the best student here in the class.
So how many gates? Anong gate na may na ako, teacher?
Hindi kinaya na, anak. Mamaya ako sasabihin. Tapusin mo muna to. Next word. After pick. You're also sleeping. My goodness. What kind of students are you guys? All of you are sleeping. I will kick all of you in the butt. Okay, read the next word. Then after we'll have the story. What's the next word?
What's the story, teacher?
You read all these words first. All
No
of these
story.
words.
No story for you guys because we didn't see so you guys were sleeping man.
Halika na. Ano to?
No, my story for you guys. You've been sleeping for 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. So that's too long. So get out of the classroom.
Immanuel, finish the words.
Out to go, Hulkbuster. Out to go, Gladiator.
Finish the word.
What's that? The dip.
Very good.
Wait a minute. I didn't say dip. What's a dip, teacher? I didn't say dip.
Maybe Hulkbuster.
Oh, but he was a sweet teacher. I think it was me. Wow, where we will.
Very good.
Fig. Fix.
Fix. Very good.
That's what. It.
Good
So,
job.
teacher, I think this school, I saw nothing cats.
Those
How
two,
big gates do they have?
they only have, I will give them 80. Only 80.
Me, 100.
You have 100. Good job.
Uya, ako ngayon.